Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Go High Level lead from submit using Google Tag Manager, and we can send the data Google advertising platform. So let's get started. So this is the my Go High Level CRM. I already built one lead from. This is the actually demo form, and this is the demo website. Just YouTube video making purpose. So this is the from I'm already embed this from my website. So I think you have already embed your website this type of from. Okay. So then next work is you need to set up the Google Tag Manager your website. So I have already installed Google Tag Manager my website. So now check it. Google Tag Manager is working or not, and this when I submit the form, this information coming or not, because this is the Go High Level is different platform. We embedded this from my website. That's why this is the different website. This is the iframe totally. So that's why our data is not sending without any script code. So let's check it is working or not. So now click the preview mode and waiting some second. Connected the website. And see, this is the URL, and I can just click the connected. So it's loading, just waiting for connecting the website. So Google Tag Manager is connecting this website and just loading the from this page, because this is the others platform from. That's why I need to waiting some second. See, our from is visible. So now I can put the information. Suppose MD IML, and put the information. Suppose 017. Now put the email, okay, and I submit the form, but is not sending any information for Google Tag Manager, okay, for Go High Level information. So now we can check the our Go High Level CRM. This data is coming or not. Now back and go to the contact section, and you can see this contact section already coming this information, but Google Tag Manager is not sending this information. Okay, see this information already coming. So now this is the basically iframe from. That's why we need to using Google Tag Manager a custom code for set up the Go high level lead from submission. So this is the actually guide how to you add script. Okay. So this is the actual information. I will add this information. I will send this information in this video description box. Okay. So I have a already code. Now go to open this Google Doc file, and I have a already import this script. Basically, this is the very advanced listener script. Every information sending the Google Tag Manager this CRM from. So I can copy the this script and go to the Google Tag Manager and click the new tag, Google Tag Manager new tag. Now I click the tag, new tag, and click the tag configuration and selected the custom HTML. Selected the custom HTML, and I put this information. Okay, I put the code. Now I open this code. You can see this code just not sending the from data. This code sending lots of information. Suppose I'm going to scroll like all type of cookie information, like every advertising platform cookie automatically collected. You can see UTM parameter section and all the cookie also sending the user information without submitting. Okay, without submitting, automatically collected is geolocation data. All also contact information. If submit the contact information, also sending this information, also automatically has the this contact information data, and every information like traffic source, traffic medium, every information with like conversion related, user agent related information, hash information, also see every information sending this code. So now we can put and now click the triggers, and I click the trigger is all page. Okay, selected the all page. Then I copy the name. What name? Actually, you can put yourself anything. Okay, I can copy the name and go to the Google Tag Manager. I put the name and save it. Now again we can check like when I submit the form, information is coming or not. Okay, so again website is connecting and need to waiting for the load the embedded form. So our form is loading properly. So now I can put again suppose uh, Ronnie and put the phone number suppose and put the email. I selected just this checklist and click the submit. Number is now submit, and you can see this is the go high level from information is coming, and when I click this one you can see lots of information. Okay, lots of information is event, also customer ID, customer event ID, full name, also name like first name, last name, email, and I'm not submitting the country information. Okay, I'm not submitting the country information, but country information is coming. Country, okay, phone number, country ID, contact information, every traffic source. This is the organic traffic. Okay, and if you put the like your website URL from the UTM parameter, automatically coming this UTM parameter, this data layer, and also like conversion related. Also, you can see phone number and email is hashing, sending the hashing automatically. You can just create the variable sending the data from Google Ads platform, and every information is coming. And you can see like GCL ID, ZZ ID, and also FBC ID. So this, if you add your URL like UTM parameter, automatically sending this data. Okay. So data layer is coming. So now we can create the Google Ads conversion tracking tag. So now we can go to the Google Ad account and go to the Google Ad account goals section. Go to the goals and selected the conversion, and then we can selected the new conversion tag. Just a second, loading the Google Ads dashboard. So this is actually Google Ads conversion tracking dashboard. This is the I can click the new conversion action. Then again click the new conversion section. Okay, 1 second. Just loading this page. So now we can see this. This is the conversion section. I selected the website conversion and click the edit data source, and I edit put the website link and edit. Okay. So now click the done, and so now selected the click the save and continue. Then you can see this is actually a conversion goal. Which goal? This is actually lead from submission. That's why we can selected the submit lead from and create the conversion. And I selected the this tag. Then I click the manual setup and configure and click the done. Then I click the save and continue. Okay. Just a second. Now provided Google Ads platform for using a Google Tag Manager section, conversion ID and level. So now we can copy the first Google Tag Manager conversion ID and go to the Google Tag Manager platform, and I can refresh the page. Just a second. So now click the new tag, and we can copy the already copy, just selected the Google Ads conversion linker and put the code and put this one all page and save it. Now again click the new tag and selected this one Google Ads tag, also Google tag. Okay, so now we can put this tag and first AW. Okay, and now save it, Google tag. And again, we can need to create the new tag for Google Ads conversion tracking. We can select the Google Ads conversion tracking, and now we can put the Google conversion ID. Okay, so we can put the ID and now put the conversion level. So we can copy the conversion level, copy and go to the Google Tag Manager and paste the conversion level. So now we can select the trigger. So trigger is we are already submit the form. This is actually custom event. We can copy the event name and again go to the Google Tag Manager and selected the trigger, click the plus icon and selected the new trigger and using the custom event and put the name and the trigger name is put the like GCL from submit. Okay, so now save it. Again, we can put the information and put the name is Google Ads conversion tracking, conversion lead from tracking. Now save it. So now we can test like this tag is working or not. Now click the preview mode. Okay, now connecting the website again. So website is loading. Now it's just a second for waiting. Connected this website. Okay, website is connected. So now we can again submit the form, like put the name test GTM conversion tracking. Okay, now put the phone number and put the email at the rate email dot and select this checklist and click the submit. Need to verify, waiting some second. Click the submit again and form is completely sign up and click this one and you can see again firing and Google Ads conversion tracking tag is successfully firing and every information is properly firing. Okay, so this is the actually total process set up the Google Ads conversion tracking, and next video I will showing the how to set up enhanced conversion tracking for GoHighLevel from. So I think you understand. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have facing any problem and if you have any question, uh, contact me in this video description box. I already put my information. Thank you so much.